Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your New Zealand passport online. This is really helpful because you can do everything online without going to an office, and process is actually simple once you know where to click. So to begin, go to the official New Zealand passport website. On the homepage, click on apply for your passport. After that, you'll be taken to another page. So in here, look for the section that says apply online. Then click on apply online for a New Zealand passport. Now, this part can be a bit confusing. On this page, you won't see a button that says renew your passport, and that's completely normal. Instead, just scroll down and click on start new application. Once you click that, the system will guide you through the process and you'll be asked a few questions, and based on your answers, it will automatically know that you are renewing your passport. And from here, enter your personal details carefully, including your name, date of birth, and your current passport information. Next, upload your passport photo. Make sure your photo meets the requirements so it doesn't get rejected. After that, reviewing everything you entered to make sure that there are no mistakes, then go ahead and submit your application. And finally, pay the renewal fee using your card. After payment, your application will be processed and you'll receive updates by email, and once it is ready, your new passport will be delivered to your address. And that is it. That's how you renew your New Zealand passport online step by step. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.